Hello children. Today we are going to learn importance of water. Water is a very important and natural resource on earth. Water covers almost 75% of earth's surface in the form of oceans, rivers and lakes. And so, if we see Earth from space, we can see Earth is blue color because there is existence of water on Earth. Without water, life cannot exist on Earth. Almost all living beings on Earth need water for their survival, and so life cannot possible without water. Now we will see what are the different uses of water. The first and most important use of water is drinking. We need water to drink. Almost all living beings on earth need water to drink for their survival. Like human beings, animals also need water to drink for their survival. Water is important part of our food. We need water for cooking, boiling and preparing different kinds of food. We need water to keep us clean. For example, we need water to wash our hands and we need water for bathing. We need water to wash our vehicles. We need water to wash vegetables before cooking and eating them. We also need water to wash fruits before eating them. We need water for washing clothes and to wash our pet animals. We also need water to plant plants and trees. Water plays very important role for irrigation of plants in farms. Farmers need water for their farms. All factories and industries need water for various processes. Water is also needed to produce electricity in power plants. Power plant is the place where electricity is generated with the help of water. Water is used as the medium of transportation. Many goods are transported between the Earth's different continents via cargo ships, and so water is used for transportation. The children, these were the different uses of water. Now we will see what are the sources of water. That means how water is available to us, from where we get water. There are three sources of water: rainwater, surface water and underground water. These are the three sources of water: rainwater, surface water and underground water. Rainwater. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rain falls on earth and it fills other water bodies on earth. For example, lake, pond, river are filled with rainwater, and so these water bodies are available for us for use. Surface water. Surface water is the water that we see above the ground. That means we see surface water on the surface of the earth. We can consume it only after purification. River, pond and sea, these are the examples of surface water. Underground water. Groundwater is found deep inside the earth. It is the water that seeps inside the earth when it rains, and this water gets accumulated under the earth's surface, and so it is called as underground water. We can use underground water from well, hand pump or tube wells. Man-made sources of water. Dam, canal, tube well. These are the man-made sources of water. Natural sources of water. Rivers, oceans, stream and lake. These are the natural sources of water. So children, today we saw uses of water and what are the different sources of water. Water is one of the most important substance required to live on earth. Our Mother Earth will not exist without water. Water is required for all living things in the world. Without water, we human beings will die, and so we should not waste water. Don't waste water and save water. In next lesson, we will learn some another topic. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.